Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and to a repair video. Yes, I've got to do some repairs today on my DR44 Han Solo handgun and my Dalek, but that's already been done. So let's get into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and to a repair video. Yes, so basically I've had to get my wife to repair my Dalek here. This is World War II Dalek from one Doctor Who episode. I can't remember the episode title. But like what generally happens with a lot of these toys is the guns break off. So I've had to get my wife to fix this one, and she's done it with the use of because she's doing her nails here, so she's using this stuff here, which is Ryker Gel Just for Beauty gel polish. This is a top coat for nails apparently, and it solidifies quite hard, but it doesn't solidify by air, it solidifies under an ultraviolet light. So what she done was she used some of that gel around it. So yeah, so she glued it with this gel stuff. I don't know what I say it was. Gel polish, top coat for nails, and then she put it underneath this ultraviolet light thingy, and it has to dry under ultraviolet light. It only takes a couple of minutes. So that got me thinking, because unfortunately, my Han Solo pistol here broke in that this bit came away. And I've tried gluing it with super glue and all that, but to no avail. It just wouldn't hold. But then I'm thinking, will this stuff work? So we're going to give it a try. So, if I were to glue this and hold it in place there, yeah, I know, I'm asking you now. If I done that, yeah, would it then dry under that ultraviolet light?
I'll put it on top.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do. So, I'm going to adjust the camera so that my wife can position some of the stuff onto the gun where it needs to be. What about inside? Will it? Huh? Okay, so she's applying that stuff there, as you can see. Now what do I do? Now I've got to hold it together and get this lamp over it for see it going.
What if we
what?
what if you lay it down?
Mm-hmm.
What's going to happen if you lay it down? Nothing? What are you doing?
Well, I'm holding it, I'm supporting it a bit. Yeah, what if we lay it down and what?
I'll put this on your top now. You hold it on top now. And try it, give it another boost or whatever. Rest it on your thumb. That's it, like that.
Okay, so after attaching the sight back onto it and holding it under this UV nail drying lamp for a considerable few minutes, I've managed to get it back on as best I can. It's not pretty, as you can see, but it's there and it's in place, it's in position. So yeah, there we go. I'm giving it a repair job, so I'm happy about that till it goes again, but we'll have to remember that as a trick to repair. So then the gun can sit back on its stand like so, and we're all good. We're all good. And obviously the wife who repaired my World War II Dalek. Fantastic.